So here's CSL app, Casual Dating App. Connect with open-minded people. Make dating fun again. Connect with verified users. Join match date. So you see here, this is the app which also built by Joyride. I don't know. They built a lot of dating apps, different categories. I don't know whether all of these apps are legit or they're just literally scamming you and collecting your data. But I'll just open it up for you. Looking for meaningful and flexible connection that suits your lifestyle, CSL helps open-minded singles meet like-minded partners who value authenticity, privacy, and mutual respect. CSL is designed for people who seek genuine relationships outside of traditional dating norms. Flexible dating options, private messaging, inclusive community, discretion, security. And then you can just see it in here. So then you can just open it up. As you can see, and then you can just start signing in. Have you used this app? What do you guys think?